Hello, this is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and today I have kind of an unboxing. This is a package from Audrey, who is Lovecraft. I'll go ahead and put her information in the description so that you can go and give her a follow. This was actually our Valentine's Day card swap with Syncopation Design. We were assigned a partner and we were to send our partner a Valentine's card and any goodies if you'd like for a Happy Meal package. So this is her package. Hers was a little late. She apologizes for that, but she's been going through a lot of stuff right now, and so I told her, don't even worry about it, just worry about yourself and make sure that you get everything taken care of. So I do appreciate you, Audrey. Thank you so much for sending it in. And so yeah, I'm gonna unbox this right now, so we'll see. I just happened to, my husband just checked the mail and said that I had a package. So let's see what kind of goodies. Oh, how cute. This is a little burlap purse. How cute. It says love. How cute. It's got some cute Valentine wrapping, some tissue. Oh my goodness, look, it's a little, looks like, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Looks like some cards, some journaling cards. Cute, I love all these colors. Some cards here. I like that. Thank you, Audrey. And here's a like it, love it, want more of it. I like these cards. I'm loving right now. Playlist, current love songs. These are great. I love all of these. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Put this in here. I'll put this in later. And she's got me these decals. Cute. And these stickers, pony stickers. And oh, look at these. Got little buggies. Cute. I love stickers. Oh, Pusheen. I love these little, although I'm much more of a dog lover, but I actually love this little guy, Pusheen the cat. These are super cute. I love stickers too. And look at Valentine's Day stickers. Look how cute. They're like kind of cardboard, chipboard stickers. Super cute. And these little heart ones, I kind of got like a little bit of a shine on them, glitter on them. Thank you so much. I love, love, love all of this. Thank you. Oh, and there's even more goodies in this little baggie here. Let's see. Ooh, some pens. I like pens. You can never have enough pens, right? And some washi. Cute. Some polka dot. Some conversation hearts. Cute. And some M&Ms. Mini M&Ms. Cute. I love all the candies and all the chocolates. Thank you, Audrey. That is super cute. Let's see what else is in here. And here's her card. And I want to see her card. She makes the cutest cards. Celebrating friendship. Isn't that cute? It's got the two little ladybugs, and I will read this later, but that's super cute. I love it. Thank you. I am a card lover because I happen to have a little card club myself, and we swap cards all the time, every month. So I keep all my cards. Ooh, and this is one of those, what are they called, little golden books that you can make a scrapbook out of. Look how cute. So that you can document, kind of do like a journal, right? You can just add your pictures in here, maybe for like a summer, I think it's a day at the seashore. So maybe one of these days I go to the beach with my kids and my family, I could totally document our stay in one of these little spiral ring journals. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Audrey. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you guys will go and give her a follow, and thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.